Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here at the Tennessee Region SCCA. Met up with a gentleman and he has this awesome Goblin. You said it was number 79. And check this thing out. It is, are these what they call an exoskeleton? So this is an exoskeleton with a Cobalt, kind of jumping all around, it's so cool. A Cobalt engine that's supercharged, and he says it was a handful today. So it was just was it just more all over the place, or yeah
Completely all over the place.
Completely all over the place.
There's so much weight in the rear and none in the front.
Okay,
This is swaps ends.
so he says it does a lot of swapping ends because there's a lot of weight in the back and not as much in the front, of course. But this thing, I got to watch it all day go around the track, and talk about fun. It just looked so much fun. So it's like you got nice LED headlights.
It's two Harley Davidson headlights.
Two Harley headlights. Look at the steering knuckle. That is cool. Wow. Oh, QA1 coilovers. Just noticed that. Okay, now does it use the brakes and everything off of Cobalt?
Yep, the front brakes are from a Chevy Cobalt, and the rear brakes are from a Pontiac Solstice.
Okay, so the front brakes are a Cobalt and the rear brakes are a Solstice. So all the parts are, even though it's like a kind of a kit car, all the parts are at all the parts stores.
Exactly, yeah.
Wow.
They all have part numbers and cross-referenced.
So is the fuel tank specific? Does it come with the kit?
It comes with the kit.
Fuel gauge, everything's there. So do you use your old fuel tank, fuel sending unit and everything?
The fuel pump, sending unit, everything comes out of the regular
Okay.
Chevy Cobalt tank.
Oh wow, it has electric power steering.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't notice that. Cruise control.
Yeah, it's all in there.
What?
It was on the Cobalt, it's on this one.
He offered to pull it off the trailer and let me drive it. I think that's a good plan. Got the boost gauge. Wow. That is too cool. Does it have like a standard 0 to 60 time and all that?
I've got
No clue on that. All right. All right, Brandon, I appreciate you showing us the car.